Okay, first time here in the restaurant. Hello!
Hello, kumusta ka?
Nandito kami sa Batchoyan Ilonggo Restaurant dito sa Camarillo right now. So, if this is our first time in our vlog, please watch our video and then I hope that you subscribe and like and click the notification bell. So, we are here in Camarillo. We are trying the Batchoyan Ilonggo Restaurant. So, I'm together with my mom and dad. So, I hope we will see the menu today. So, we ordered pancit bihon and puto. We will try those. And we will see. Okay? So, as you can see here. So, batchoy is a noodle soup made with pork offal, crushed pork, cracklings, beef and pork stock, beef loin, and brown noodles. Its origins can be traced in the district of La Paz, Iloilo City, in the Philippines. So, here is the restaurant. As you can see, there are a few tables and chairs because of COVID-19 and social distancing, mostly 25% only capacity. So, here is the area. There are some chairs and tables outside. And here are these are the paintings here. This is the Dinagyang Festival here in Iloilo City. So religious and cultural festival and really on the 4th Sunday of January. So this is the Dinagyang Festival. This is the Museo de Iloilo. So this is then the Bonifacio Drive, Iloilo City. It's built in 1971 to pay tribute to the Ilonggo heroes and ancestors. It's the home of not only Iloilos but Panay's cultural and historical artifacts. And then this is Casa Real de Iloilo. These are all the beautiful landmarks in Iloilo. The old capital building of Iloilo renamed Casa Real de Iloilo in October 2016. That's nice. This one is Riverside Boardwalk in Iloilo. This is the St. Anne Parish Church, built in 1831 under Fray Pablo Montaño. Nice, huh? Beautiful places in Iloilo. This is Nelly Garden in Haro, Iloilo, built in 1928 by Don Vicente Lopez and his wife, Doña Elena Ukelena. It is one of Iloilo City's original heritage homes. Oh wow, that's really nice. This is Santa Isabel, a stay in Haro, Iloilo. This is the Batchoyan. There you go, my friends. I hope that you like this video featuring Batchoyan Restaurant and the many beautiful places in Iloilo City. This will be one of the places in my bucket list when I go back to the Philippines. Take care and enjoy. Bye!